allows them to express their demons, allows them to reaffirm whatever sadistic beliefs that they have in their head, to continue to point the finger at white supremacy. What do y'all abuse black people? Y'all literally taking from the book of the slave masters and implementing those and implementing those actions into carbonation. So don't stop with the white fucking supremacy. Stop. The only reason y'all are even talking about fucking white supremacy right now is to distract from what the fuck is actually going on. That y'all are abusive, y'all are thieves, y'all are scammers. And you are liars. You will literally come online and smile in everybody's face and say, oh, we're actors. Acting how? Y'all not fucking acting. This is not acting. There have been people there that have left, that have opened up about their experience there. This is not fucking acting. None of them have said that they've been actors. Y'all are caught up and trying to save fucking face. But it's too late. It's too late. You want to blame, y'all want to say, oh, you locked the black man up. The black man. Now you want to make it about fucking race and how the woman is the destruction of the black family again, right? Instead of taking accountability. No, this is a man who is abusive, who beats women and degrades men. This is who we're talking about. We're not talking about a black woman destroying shit. We're talking about a man being held accountable for his own actions. This is a man who abuses women and men physically, mentally, spiritually, financially, any way that he can. He is abusive in any way that he can because he feels that he is above the law. And now he's trying to save face. No, none of y'all can save fucking face. And all of y'all felt like y'all were above the law as well. And that is why y'all are participating in abuse. And that's the reason that y'all are trying to save face now, claiming that y'all fucking actors. Because y'all are over there abusing each other. Stop with the lies. Take accountability. You believe in the knowledge so much, take fucking accountability. But the knowledge is a fucking cover up. Y'all don't care about the knowledge. So stop. Y'all can stop with the lies. Anybody that's fucking joined after Nature Boy has been exposed for all the shit that he's done, they don't give a fuck about the knowledge. After it came out that Velvet was being abused, after I exposed that shit, y'all niggas didn't come for no fucking knowledge. Y'all came for attention and dick. And like I said again, Musa, you are the last fucking person that should be on here advocating for shit. The last person when your recordings are still online. And Batty Yaddy, you getting blocked for even saying some dumb shit like she dealt the hardest blow. Nigga, we were in other countries. There are reports in other countries. For you saying some dumb shit like that. Get the fuck out of here. Just because we not online telling all our fucking business don't mean that shit isn't being done. I just had to make that clear. That none of them are actors. That's a lie. They're all abusive. They are all dangerous. They are all enjoying putting each other through pain. to prove themselves, to fight for this illusionary status. Ain't no backtracking now. Everything's online. Everything has been documented, whether you know about it or not. I'm not reading the comments, just FYI. But yeah, I had to speak my piece. And I'm going to say it one more time. They are not innocent. The people there are not innocent. At some point, maybe. But now they're participating in abuse willingly. They are willingly beating other people. They are willingly holding people against their will. And they come online and blatantly lie now that their actions are catching up with them. And I'm going to leave